Let's quickly add a few materials to this guy. If I go into Material Preview, we can see there's nothing particular going on. So I'm going to go to my Material tab, and I'm going to create a new material. Having done that, it also created a slot. I'm going to give this material a name. I'm just going to call it Pants, and I'm going to give it a base color, and we'll just go with blue. Now here's the problem. He's entirely blue. So what we'll do is right here on the plus sign, we will click and create additional slots. Maybe one for the shoes or feet, maybe one for the body in general, sort of his general face or chest color. Maybe we'll do one for the nose. Maybe we'll do one for the eyes. Maybe we'll give his braids a different color. And then for each of these items that we're thinking of doing, we'll create a material and apply it to different areas. So the slot exists, but the material doesn't. So let's go ahead and we're going to create a new material, and we will call it body, and we'll give it a color. And we'll go with just sort of a brownish kind of color, maybe a little bit more muted. And now we need to apply it. So to apply it to him, what we can do is we can tab into edit mode, and let's just select X-ray mode, and we'll just select the top half of the body. It's all been selected, and body is showing up. I'm simply going to click Assign. And now if we look, we'll see that this other color has been assigned to him. Now we've got a few jagged areas. We can work on that, but for the moment, this is the basics of it. I'll do the same thing here. Tab into edit mode. Maybe I'll select the shoes. I'll come down here. I'll create a new material. Call it shoes. Let's give him black shoes. And then we'll go ahead and assign. And there we go. Maybe the nose. Let's get out of X-ray mode. And then in face select mode, we'll just go ahead and select these faces. We will again create a new material. Even though it's black, I'm going to do a different material in case I decide to do something different with the nose or the shoes. Planning ahead. So we'll create a new material. We'll call it nose. We'll make it black, and we will assign it. Oh, looks like I missed a few. So we'll reselect those faces, and we will again assign the nose. And that's the general idea. Now there are other ways of going about this, but those are subjects for another time. For the moment, there's your most basic way of applying simple materials to a character.